What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this. I'm gonna talk about, can you drive your car aggressively before warm-up? The reason why I bring this up, because of the fact that your boy ArtOfSpeedd, he always at car shows and car meets. Yes, and I see people always doing this. Like, the car is set for about an hour or two. You know, you gotta show your car off, and then it's time to go. You wanna drive off all fast, or try to hit burnout. Yeah, you messing up your car. You messing up the engine. I know, like, in certain cars, like Corvettes, not even certain cars. I know, like, cars with digital cluster gauge. I know, me personally, I've seen it in Corvettes and BMWs. And you have to keep your car at a certain RPMs. Like Corvettes, you gotta keep it under 5,000 RPMs. And then after the car actually fully warm up, then you're allowed to go like 6 or 7 RPMs. But if the car is like cold, yeah, you gotta keep it under 5,000 RPMs. BMW, you gotta keep it under 4,000 RPMs. With the new BMW with the digital cluster gauge, it'll show you on the gauge. So yeah, I'm like, dang. So I'm seeing people just hitting burnouts and just driving all fast and trying to race, and I'm looking like, yo, my car is not even warm. I remember one person asked me, yo, you trying to race? Bro, I just got off work. My car's not even warm. That's where I work at, it's a script. No cars come on that line. And so it's like a script. And the dude was like, yo, let's race. I'm like, bro, my car is not warm. He's like, yeah, it's just warming up for about 30 seconds. No. I can warm it up for 30 seconds because I can put my car in gear and drive if I can warm my car up. But if I'm about to drive aggressively, no. I gotta let my car fully warm up before I race you, because I'm not trying to mess up my engine. He's like, oh, bro, you scared? I'm like, bro, you must don't know who you talking to. I'm ArtOfSpeedd. I ain't never scared of a race. I say, look, catch me when the car warmed up. I got you. He had a Dodge Challenger, and the crazy thing about it, I seen him like 3 or 4 weeks later, his engine blew up. Not saying that his engine blew up because of that, but I'm like, yo, but he did say that, you know, you got to keep your car warm. I was like, yo, yeah, duh. But if you're enjoying the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.